How to install a 4-pole 125 amp mains isolator switch on a 4 and 6-way board. To begin, locate the terminal of the neutral to connect to, as it's a 4-pole device. The 125 amp neutral connection is situated on the left side of the board on the 125 amp neutral buzz bar. Remove the pre-installed screw and locate the copper neutral bar into the terminal, where there is a slot on the underside of the blue plastic. Locate the screw into the pre-threaded copper plate and tighten with a torque screwdriver to the correct settings. Check all the terminals are open on the mains isolator switch to ensure correct placement onto the buzz bars. Once in position, screw each of the terminals to attach to the buzz bar. Tighten with a torque screwdriver to the correct settings. To complete the installation, slide the Illusion shield between the main switch and the plastic cap. Please see our other how-to videos for more information on our Illusion 3-phase range.